Here's another rehab project that we have just acquired. This home was acquired for 165K. We are in the process right now. We already have all the rough-in inspection passed. So right now we're going to probably start a drywall within the next day or two for us to continue to get this project completed. After this project is 100% completed, the ARV after completion will be approximately 330,000. Now our rehab budget for this project, yeah, we are estimated about 75 to 85,000 dollars. It is in a very quiet street. Uh, Most of the homes here are entry-level homes. This home is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath when we purchase it. We are actually going to convert it into a 3-bedroom, 2 bath when it's completely remodeled. We already had a brand new roof put on it. So we're going to do a walkthrough and look at all what we have done so far. We have already the rough-in inspection completed for electrical, plumbing, and AC. As you will see as well, on the floors, we have actually cut the slab where you see the new concrete is poured. And we have put in brand new sewer pipe, because all these homes which are built before 1978, they do have cast iron pipe, and these pipe life expectancy has expired about 10 to 15 years ago. And a lot of these older homes, these pipes are starting to collapse under the slab. So if you're purchasing a home that is currently be rehabbed in Orlando, you may want to check if someone is doing that rehab, if they actually replace the sewer pipes, because that is critically important. If those pipes are not replaced, then you could have major issues after you purchase this home in the near future. Brand new tub. You will notice also we change all the stock pipe which goes to the attic for airflow. Shower pan. So in about another week from here, this home will be completely drywall and ready for tiling. So the finishes, we're estimated within the next 30 days should be 100% completed. This will be the kitchen with an island with a flat top stove in the center of it. And this is a complete new laundry room we have actually built. Washer and dryer hookup, hot water heater, and the AC unit will be in that room. So if you're looking for an investment property in Orlando, feel free to reach out, and we'll be more than glad to discuss with you how we'll be able to accomplish this for you. Someone buying an investment property like this, all in, you probably will be somewhere 250 to 260,000 with a 50 to 70,000 equity once it's completed. Now, I could assure you that if you were to purchase a home like this in MLS, you will pay the full market value.